Hey guys, and what's up? My name is Max, and today we're going to be doing a redstone video. Today I'm going to be building the ultimate respawn kit. Like when you respawn, then you get yourself sword and stuff, and it's actually really cool. So let's get started. Thing like that. So like when you respawn, you get yourself instant armor. Of course, I did this because I had a sculk sensor to build, guys. I don't know if you guys realize this. Because they make a lot of noise now. And then I had this sculk sensor connected to a redstone block that to a command block that has slash kill and then mining. So the second I moved, it pushed the piston and then I respawned right here where it dispensed armor onto me. And this is actually pretty simple. This is like the first one. I'm not gonna be doing this on like levels, but I think I'm gonna start. So let's start. So the first thing I need to do is actually design the actual respawn area. So I'm thinking, once I respawn, so first of all, I'm gonna have to do this. I'm gonna need some slabs. I'm gonna go with hard copper. Now I'm inside the new snapshot already. On you guys, I will respawn like right here. So if I set my spawn here, so like if I kill myself, I will instantly respawn here. So of course, for this video, I'm gonna do game mode do instant. You know what? Immediately respawn true, so I don't have to like do this every single time to test it out. But for this part, so I'm gonna start off by like I respawn here. How am I going to get to the actual thing? So I'm thinking I'm gonna have string here. Anyways, I'm gonna have dispensers here for the armor. Like one here, one here, one here. Here I'm gonna need some obsidian. I think I'm gonna use carving obsidian for this one. I'm gonna actually like fill the bottom part drawing obsidian, and then I'm gonna have myself sticky piston and a slime block. What I'm planning to do is like I respawn this, and then I'm gonna need a fourth one, which I'm gonna place like right here. There's gonna be like a tripwire hook right here connected to all four of these. This I respawn here. My hook activates all four dispensers. I get my armor, and a few seconds later, and it sends me up, and then there's gonna be another piston that's gonna push me forward. So let's get started on that. So I think that's it. So let me grab some string, and then if I place it here, and then if I kill myself, of course I only did the first part, which is dispensing the armor. So yeah, so if I respawn, now all I have to do the second part, which is a few ticks later, actually go to there. Go to find this piston. So here we go. So I think play of like how many ticks? Like that seems good. Like, and there's just gonna be this here. So slash kill happy. If I do this, and then it just sends me like once. I think I'm gonna make this a little bit shorter. So let's see what this will do. Yeah, so that I need to do it maybe a little bit shorter. Maybe yeah, so that's perfect. So like I come here, I respawn, and then suddenly I just get all my armor, and then bam, I get shot out. So I'm thinking next. So I'm gonna grab some more crying obsidian. So next, I'm gonna have this in a slime block. So there's gonna be like sticky piston slime block here, like right here. And then I'm gonna have a tripwire hook here again. Tripwire hook. It's gonna be like this. I'm gonna actually change that to ice. So I'm thinking actually doing this. So like this, and then placing this here, and then like basically just like this, and then that's gonna connect to the piston. Like really 1 second. I think one tick should be enough. Maybe zero actually. Try this. So watch kill lucky. So that works perfectly. So you like so look, so I actually gotta use this thing more in systems. So if I kill myself, it every single time launches me straight to here, which is really cool. And I got myself armed, which is instant. So the second I respawn, I'm gonna go here. So like how this happens is there's a tripwire hook, and I come here, it pushes me forward. So for now, what I'm gonna do is remove the bottom string, like right here. Right. So remove this boy. You can do it here too if I'm trying to do something. So I send myself here, and then here it's actually going to dispense sword. So like sword and stuff. How am I gonna do that? So I actually what I want to do is so like you get here I think sent down here where tools and everything is going to be waiting. So it's gonna be way easier because you don't actually have to like physically dispense it on him. So what I'm thinking is you do like this, and then there's gonna be like a water here, and then there's gonna be like a bunch of droppers. Dropper is gonna like dispense you something. So I want to do this by order. First of all, I'm gonna have one for swords because I mean, how my hotbar goes is like this: so it's sword, or my pickaxe, my axe, and my shovel, my hoe. And we're gonna actually just have like everything else, like totem and stuff like that. So I'm gonna start up by actually making this. So we're gonna start with sword, axe, axe, shovel. Oh, and then like here, we're gonna actually do something else, and then like if we go like one up, and then we do like this, we're gonna have food. So what I'm thinking is, about like this, it should be enough. Like food, yeah, totem. I'm gonna put this here because this is where it's gonna go last. So like here, so let's start filling this up. So once this tripwire hook gets actually dispensed, it's gonna send a little signal right here to dispense everything. So let's start. So what I'm thinking, one second, so I'm gonna add here repeater, is like I'm trying to delay as much, the less delay as much. So you got yourself all this. That's really simple. There we go. So let's try filling this up. So you go here and then you land here. Thing is, I don't want it to get here. So like if it lands this way, so like this is where you respawn. All our stuff. So let's get a sword, pickaxe, an axe, shovel, and a hoe. I think I got everything. So swords go in here. Now, of course, this should drop at me in an order. Axe, an axe, shovel, like right here, and here's going to be a hoe. We could add enchantments to make this more, but I'm thinking I'm going to do that only after. Next, there's going to be totems. Here, I'm going to fill this boy up with totems. Of course, I'm going to place hoppers in the back of here. Actually, like, fill these up easier. Can I? No, I can't. Basically, like, fill these up way easier so I don't have to restock them each time. I'm also going to add a roof. Everything, nothing goes, like, somewhere that it's not supposed to. So next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna need this. I'm gonna need a pulse extender. So like this boy goes here, and then you go like this. Like this only should go once, but I'm gonna do like this, and then I think two is good. Like this, and then we're just gonna connect this straight up. So we're gonna add like a delay right here. I want to add as least amount of delay here, but this doesn't really matter because it's like the food part. And then there's gonna be here a piston with observer, and then there's just gonna be redstone connecting on top of all of these. So go here, connect this redstone up on top of almost every single one of these, except this one. This one, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna place this here, block on top. This is just gonna power everything. So this one, I'm just gonna bring a redstone here, just like that. But I'm gonna place a block here, target block. Actually, I'm gonna start filling this boy up. So I think I'm gonna use golden carrots because those are like the best food. So fill this up. This one shouldn't take as much stock, but it's also gonna need a ton of stock. So I'm thinking like after this, what else do you need? So I want this to be like more enjoyable, like when you respawn. So like you got yourself something to do, or like when you die, then you get everything that you need. So like, so I got this. Now let's add the water. Scared, but I need a sign. Oops, I almost forgot that. That's important. Really important. Something that I want to do is like add this here. So it drops right here. So because I don't want it to drop there, so add the water. I need to be careful. This all the way there, and then let's finally re-add the strength. So like this boy. I by mistake activated it. Oh, so this basically worked. One sec, I need to add this. I think I'm actually gonna add one, but what I'm gonna do is here. So right now, if I clear my inventory, and then let's go to survival, and then do so, and then I'm gonna do slash kill up. Yeah, I was right. I need ice. So I got this, and I didn't get the totem. I didn't get the totem. That's a problem. Where's the totem? Did not get dispensed. No, it gets dispensed. Just this time it got stuck on something. Oh, the golden earth gets stuck here. Ooh, one sec. Maybe. Okay, I have an idea. So I'm gonna place this here, so like the water just automatically drops. I'm gonna have more water here. So here. So this actually I think may fix it. This we're just gonna have to move. Gonna have to move it here. Like right here. No, I do not want that to ruin any of it. That's painful, so it's really painful. That's it. So that I just want a dropper like right here. And then I'm just gonna fill this one with totems. So I'm just gonna do like this instead of what we had system we had before. So the water. close this up. And then we got this. Let's close this up and switch this to blue ice. Very important. So this, and this. And then game mode, survival, and then slash kill at the. I got myself in order, and then I got all my food. I have way too much, and then I can just go out. This is, first of all, insane. Like, I come here, I got myself my sword, my pickaxe, my shovel, my axe. Oh no, did I put them in opposite places? Maybe I did. Did I? Pickaxe, axe, shovel. Oh no, that's not that critical. And this point, and then I can just retrieve it. I want this to be the perfect system. Well, I have to make this perfect. So, first of all, totem is being dispensed before this. What I'm thinking is we add like a delay here, like this. I think that should do it. Totem should be delayed after the hoe. That's okay. Now, of course, why are these being fired differently? Pickaxe, axe. Let's try this again. You come here, you get your ammo. Then you get yourself your this. Guys, I'll be right back. Yeah, I had to fix something. I'm back. So I get actually my food, my totem, sword, pickaxe, axe, shovel, hoe, and then food. Next, what I want to that's perfect. That's you land here. Armor ran out. Next, I want to get pushed again. So the thing is, can I do this? So I want to like get everything, and then I want to get pushed again. Chamber here, well, I'll get XP because like if you die, you lost our XP levels. Then I want to like have bottles of camping, and then those bottles will actually like grow the XP. So here, delay. So we're gonna have tripwire hook. I'm using a lot of tripwire hooks here because I mean that's basically this main thing that you got here. So I'm just gonna place this here. So because you can't use pressure plates, which is pretty annoying, but because like they break, or I mean like where am I supposed to place one? So we're gonna come here. I think there's just gonna be like a big delay right here. And we got this. Oh my god, I got hit. And then we got this. We got redstone repeater, 4 tick delay a few times. So like 1, 2, 3, 4. That's good. And then we got this. This good. And then the explosion. So I think that's good. We're good. So like next I'm gonna take blue ice again. Or if I land here. 3 seconds yet, 70, so this works. Land here. Seconds later you get transferred here. So I'm gonna get blue ice. And then there's gonna be here dispensers, like a ton of dispensers. We're gonna have like another chamber right here, which is gonna be filled with dispensers. So I'm just gonna have let's see, so how much dispensers can I fill? 1, 2, 3, 4. This cannot be filled. This can, so like 4, 5, 5. Maybe I can maybe fill one here. But my idea is that after I can go way more. Ooh, this is gonna be interesting because it's gonna be pretty interesting. So like you land here. I'm just gonna close this off. So I think I'm just gonna this is actually pretty interesting. So XP. So because these bottles uh sorry. Because these bottles don't give you any XP. So I'm thinking that we like build an extender that activates all of them. Maybe? I'm wondering how I can do that. These bottles don't give you any XP, almost any XP. So like we got all of this. And then each one of these is gonna be filled with XP. It's just gonna dispense at once. And I'm just gonna get an insane amount of XP. Now of course I want after that to I'm thinking, should I get moved again? No, I think once I'm done with that, then I'm actually done. And a lot of messages. But anyway, so how am I the real question is how am I gonna activate all of these at once? So I'm gonna move the system here. What I'm thinking is we start like this. That's gonna do both of those. And then we're just gonna do the same thing here. And actually maybe okay, so yeah, actually this is possible. So like dispense that. This should take care of all of these. One sec, and then I'm gonna add a next one here. So I actually think this system will do every single one of them. So I'm gonna build the exact same thing here. So except without the top part. So I'm just gonna. So if I like connect all of these, both of these. So first of all, that's the first thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna connect the two of these. So delay of like 1 second. I want them all to be dispensed at once. But I'm thinking I'm gonna have to have this delay. So like this. One two delays. Take delay. That's not too long, but most likely they're all just gonna dispense. So I'm gonna have like this here. And then we're gonna have a pulse extender, a massive, massive, massive pulse extender. So we don't have to make it too big. I think I'm gonna go with 3. So 1, 2, 3. And then on the other side, we're just gonna have this. So we're just gonna connect this to here. And then we're gonna have this here. I think that's it. So I'm gonna refill armor. And let's try it out. So right now I clear in survival, so if I do slash kill, first of all, this dispensed me a few seconds only after and it didn't give me everything, so that's a problem. So I'm just gonna add I think that should be a proper delay. That works, that works. So like oh, your stuff gets hit. Ooh, that's a problem. So slash clear. Try this again. Slash let's go to here. Slash kill armor. Tools. I did not get it correctly. So you get here, your tools, and you can just go. But where's all my food? Oh, not connected. Oh no, that's fine. I'm gonna need a bigger delay because not all your food goes. So like, what a problem because like right now, how am I supposed to? Oh yeah, I can. It's just you just need a massive, massive delay. I think this should be big enough. I think it's maybe too big. So like, I actually needed only a little bit bigger. So go here. try this again. So slash game mode survival, and then slash kill FP. Get all my tools. I get all my stuff, and then I get coached. And bam, I got myself some levels. I need more levels. This is a problem. I only get like 5 levels. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, what is it? Oh, this is gonna be insane. So I've actually forgot a part. So let's do this. So here I'm just gonna have a piston with this boy. There's gonna be this, and then there's just gonna be this here. All this is gonna be insane. So try this again. So if I go to survival, and I kill myself. 3, 2, 1. Let's try this again. I got my sword, my pickaxe, my axe. He starts shooting, and I gather all the XP. Still going. I gather all the XP I need, and then I just wait. 20 levels. One. I'm actually hoping this can get me to 30. If this works perfectly and got me to 30, I'm gonna be so happy. So like I wait here, gather my XP. Actually going further than 30. Oh, this is insane. How much did that even use? Oh my god, I'm still gathering XP. Thing is so good. You're gonna need a proper thing. I think I'm gonna have to actually like delay it, but when it comes back, way too much levels. And then like, I mean, like, you can just leave and then just continue getting the XP. But it's gonna leave a ton of living entities. So, let's try this. So, let's try bringing this down by 2. So, and we made it to slash. I'm gonna just go here, slash kill. I do not get my sword and stuff. I get pushed, I get myself an XP, and then this thing finishes, I get myself a ton of XP experience. I did not get a sword, I probably didn't refill it, but most likely this is gonna be good. So like, this should actually only like get me to a smaller level. Way smaller than what I had before. Like level 30 maybe. This is like massive, like the other one got me to level 40. I actually think this is a lot of XP. No, I'm pulling in more XP. Okay, so like level 30, that's it. Anyways, this is a lot of experience. I mean, like, not all of this, but let's see, the sword, axe. Yeah, I'm gonna have to restock this. So, guys, I think that's it for today. This was a fun video to make. I'm gonna leave a world download down below. I'm going to see you guys next time. See you guys. These are the coordinates. Goodbye.